Hi, this is Ron Martinson of ronmartblog.com, and I'm here today to talk to you about the DJI Phantom 4. This is my first foray into drones, and so I thought it'd be fun to do a little simple unboxing video. So let's open this guy up. So let's see, take it around here. It's a pretty nice package that comes in. Twist that out, open that up. Kind of see everything fits in there nice and secure. And from here, we'll take out the drone. Remote, the wings that come in this nice bag, and then what remains are your pamphlets, some cables, and actually I'll go ahead and take out this power cord here. So inside this bag you have 8 of these wings, so it's 2 sets, which is really nice. Hopefully that'll be sufficient. The controller is extremely well built. Very impressed. The plastic's very much like what you see on Apple products. It's very solid. This folds up to hold your iPhone or iPad mini with this little adapter here. So it's quite large actually. Really nice feel. Nice spring back. Very impressive. The power brick again feels very much like something you'd see from Apple. And then for the actual unit itself, you have 2 sonar units. You have a place over here for your USB and your microchip. And then you have the actual camera, and then 2 cameras that it uses to keep it from hitting things. So it's its own sensor cameras. All 4 of the points here for the wings are rotors. Very nice. The battery comes out super easily and then plugs in either direction without any trouble. Very impressive. That's it for now. Please join me back for additional videos. Thank you.